A warm welcome to everyone listening to this video. In today's video lecture series, our team is here to present on the topic Design Thinking based content delivery on design of pile foundation. Before going to the topic, let us know what is design thinking process. So design thinking is a human-centered approach for solving real-world problems. So this kind of approach can be adopted to solve any kind of real-world problems in a simple and human-centered way. So there are 5 stages of design thinking, such as empathize, define, ideate, prototype and testing. We are going to apply this concept over the topic design of pile foundations. So in the first stage of design thinking is empathize. I am here to explain about the empathize stage of design thinking. So foundation failure occurs due to various problems such as poor soil, indefinite loading and heavy loading of the structure and settlement of foundation. These are all the problems identified by the users, that is the site owners or construction engineers. We have to collect real-time data from the stakeholders, which is mentioned already. The real challenges faced by the stakeholders are settlement of foundation, improper design and also heavy load of the structure causing differential settlement. So this is the major problem identified. This is the problem which is collectively taken from the users such as contractors, engineers, builders, etc. And we are here to find a most effective and possible solution for the problem, that is failure of the foundation in clay soil by constructing pile foundation. Over to the team, they will be explaining all the other stages of design thinking. Next, define stage will be explained by Satyan.
Okay. I am going to explain about define stage. In the define stage, the engineering problem is in define stage we convert observation into clear engineering problems, and the problem state was how can we safely transfer structural loads to deeper, stronger soil layers when the topsoil has low bearing capacity. The key issues here we will face is low SBC. SBC stands for safe bearing capacity, and high settlement risk, water table presence. Due to water table presence, the soil layer will be get cracked. Thus, we define the need for deep foundation system, specifically pile foundation. Thank you.
Okay, well, the define stage is well explained by Satyan. The next stage is ideal stage, will be explained by Dhanasila.
Hi, today I am going to talk about ideal stage. In the ideal stage, we have to explore more solutions. That means the possible solutions include end-bearing piles, possible options, end-bearing piles, friction piles, under-reamed piles, pile groups. Then we have to consider driven piles versus board piles, material choices like concrete, steel, timber. After brainstorming, we have to select the most suitable type based on load requirements, cost and feasibility. Thank you.
Okay, there are different possible solutions explained by Dhanasilan, and one of the best possible solution will be considered for our future use. And later the prototype and testing stage will be explained by Ashwin.
Hi, next session. See, here I am going to talk about prototype. Prototype is a stage we convert ideas into design. So we calculate load from structure, determine pile capacity, design reinforcement, select pile diameter and length. We also prepare pile layout and pile cap design. This stage acts working model before execution.
Okay, the various ideas are converged into a particular solution and converted into a prototype model, which is useful for the design purpose of the pile foundation, and later it should be tested for feasibility, and the testing stage will be explained by our student Shyam.
So I am Shyam, I will be explaining about testing stage. In the testing stage, we validate the design. So common design includes pile load test, integrity test, settlement test. After the result, we are if we are not satisfied, we refine the design. Final outcome: safe foundation, controlled settlement, long-term durability. Thank you.
Okay. So there are various different testing methods for a design of pile foundation. One of the best method is pile load test and also pile integrity testing. So that is well explained by Sham. So overall, we have applied a design thinking concept for the design of pile foundation. Thank you for listening to this video. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel so that we can post more videos related to civil engineering topics. Thank you.